Can you solve this equation within the next 6 seconds? Did you get any of these answers? If so, please write down in a comment which answer you got. As we see in this equation, we have subtraction, division, multiplication, and division. Based on the order of operation rule, we need to tackle first division and multiplication before the subtraction. So, to avoid any confusion in this part of the equation, I usually advise you guys to write division as multiplication. In this way, you are not confused which one to do first. For example, what we have here, we have 6 minus 36. We do division, write it as multiplication, over 6 minus multiplied by 3, and here again multiply by 1/3. If you like the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Because we wrote division as multiplication, so now we have one sign. What we can do, we can combine them with the numbers that will be easier for us to calculate. For example, in this case, we can cancel 3 with 3, and here we can cancel 6, and 36 divided by 6, here we have 6. So in the end, what we get is 6 minus 6, and the result is 0. Thank you very much for watching the video. Ciao, ciao.